welcome back to Floor Plan Friday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. This month, we're going to talk about the Tellico plan, which is the plan of the month. And the Tellico is a one-story design, one of my favorite designs, and one of our more popular one-story designs. Tellico has 1,504 square feet. It's set up for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So let's take a look at the floor plan and some of the features of this particular home. First and foremost, I love the spacious master suite. You've got an 18 by 13 bedroom with a nice spacious master bath and walk-in closet. One of the things that I love about this particular plan is that separating the master suite from the guest suite is a large great room kitchen dining area combo with an open vaulted ceiling with exposed beams and tongue and groove ceilings. So when you walk in this covered entry, that is one of the first things that you'll see is the open timber roof system with the tongue and groove ceilings. And again, I love the fact that this center section separates the master suite from the guest suite. It gives you some privacy for your master suite. If you have young kids, they're on one side of the great room area and you're on the other. If you've got grandkids and they're coming back, or if you've got older kids that are going to be coming in town and staying, it just gives some separation between the bedrooms and between the master suite and the guest suite room. So large open great room, a nice spacious guest bedrooms or bedrooms for the kids or younger kids. It's got a shared bath. And then it's got a laundry room right off of this center section, which is a really good location for it. And I love the coat closet coming in off the entry. The entry is a great area just to have some cover over your head as you're coming in from bringing groceries in or coming in on a rainy or snowy day. So just an awesome layout, super efficient space, no wasted space anywhere in this particular plan. And let's take a look at the elevations of this particular design. Keep in mind too that on our website at stonemill.com, you can do all of these virtual 360-degree renderings. What we're seeing here is the exterior of the rear of the home. So we're kind of looking at it a little bit backwards. Over on this left-hand side, you'll see the master suite, which has doors going out onto a private screen porch. If you want to leave that porch open and not screen it in, that is totally okay. One of the things that I love about this center section is this extended porch roof that comes off the great room with these French doors that just brings the inside out and the outside in, and it's an extension of this great room. So this is a great outdoor covered porch area that is going to be ideal for entertaining and just for enjoying on those beautiful days like we've got today. And then off of the guest suite, you've got another covered porch, which is just overflow space and perfect for outdoor entertaining as well. So as we move around, start the animation on our floor plans, you can see this right elevation, which I'll call it if you're looking at it from the front. This is the master bedroom wall where the master bed would go in between those two windows. And then as we continue on around, you can see the window coming out of the master bath. And then the front of the house with this little covered entry, you've got a nice kitchen window. And then over on the left-hand side, you've got a double window in one of the guest bedrooms. And as we move around the, what I'll call left elevation, looking at it from the front, you've got a window in one of the guest bedrooms. And then moving around to the back, you've got the window coming out of that other, kind of rear guest bedroom. So what we're showing here is a dovetailed chinked profile. We can do the Tellico in log on log, or you can even build this particular home in a full timber frame. Your finishes for roofing material and siding in the gables and railing material choices will all be yours, as this is a custom design. We're just showing certain finishes to give you an idea of how you can finish this home out. But great design, super efficient floor plan with very little wasted space, if not hardly any wasted space in it at all. It's a great particular plan, if you're downsizing, scaling down, or if you're wanting to build this as a primary residence or as even a second home or a rental. Just an incredible one-level design and one of our more popular designs as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed this Floor Plan Friday of the Tellico model. If you would like to see the Tellico in more detail or any of our other models, please go to our site at stonemill.com or call our sales department at 800-438-8274 at any time. We look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to you joining us for more Floor Plan Friday next month. Take care, stay safe and healthy. We look forward to seeing you next time.